Good morning, students. Let's continue our lesson, the climate in our country. Yesterday, I explained you about the difference between weather and climate. You know that weather is the condition of atmosphere of a place at a particular time and can change rapidly. Climate is the weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Okay, and in India, the climate differs from place to place, and it has many different landforms. Therefore, some places have high rainfall, others have very low rainfall. Some places have floods, others have famines. Some places are extremely hot, while others are very cold. So, according to their landform, their climate is. So, in India, we have almost same cycles of season. It is a cycle of summer, rains, autumn, winter and spring. So, yesterday we had studied about the summer season and the rainy season. So, let's revise it. The summer season. You know that India is a hot country and most of the year the sun shines very hot. The summer season starts from the month of March till May. And at this time, the hot wind called Lu blow and the heat becomes almost unbearable in desert area, while in the northern mountains it remains cool and pleasant. And you know that in summer the days are longer than the nights, and the coastal areas are neither too hot nor too cold because it is surrounded by the sea that keep the coastal areas cool. Next is the rainy season. You know the rainy season start by the end of June till mid-September, and the winds called monsoon begin to blow from sea to land. That's why we also call rainy season the monsoon season, and it starts from the southwest direction, and first the western coastal plain receives the rainfall, that is Kerala. Then it covers the entire part of our country. Now next is the autumn, that is your autumn season. From September to November, it is the autumn season. The leaves of the trees grow pale and begin to fall. In this season, the crops ripen and the farmers are very happy. Most of the harvest festival take place in the autumn season. This season marks the end of summer and the beginning of winter. So, autumn. It is a season of year between summer and winter, that is from September to November, during which temperature gradually decrease and the leaves of the trees grow pale, that is light in color, and begin to fall. You can see here in the picture that it becomes yellow. Okay, one more picture I will show you. Here you can see the leaves of the tree become pale and begin to fall. That took place in autumn season. And most of the harvest festival like Onam take place in this season. So many harvest festival we are having like Baisakhi, Makar Sankranti and all, but Onam falls in this season. This season tells that the end of summer and beginning of winter. Now next is the winter. From December to February, it is the winter season. During these months, the days are short and the nights are long. It becomes very cold in the northern plains. There is heavy snowfall on the mountains. But in the southern part of the country, winter is not so cold. In fact, it is quite pleasant there during these months. So, you know that winter is the coldest season of the year and it occurs after autumn and before the spring in each year. And it starts from December to February. And the nights get longer and the days get shorter in this season. And in some places there is heavy snowfall in the winter, like in the northern mountain side, northern plain side, there is heavy snowfall. And most of the trees are bare without leaves. You can see here Shimla that is covered with full of snow. That is heavy snowfall is there in this part of area. And in winter season, we wear woolen clothes like sweaters, scarf, jacket, etc. And the peak time when winter is encountered the utmost is December and January. But in the southern parts of the country, it is not so cold, as this part of India is surrounded by sea on all three sides. This enable moderating effect which maintain normal temperature during winter. Therefore, it is quite pleasant during these months. Next is the spring. With the coming of March, the days grow warmer. The winter crops begin to ripen. It is neither very hot nor very cold in this month. The weather becomes very pleasant. Plants and trees give out new blossoms. In the northern plains, spring is the best season of the year. So, with the coming of March, you know that the days grow warmer and the winter crops begin to ripen. In the spring season, it is neither too hot nor too cold. That is, it is warmer, little bit warmer. And by the ecological definition of spring relates to blossoming of a range of plant species, the activities of animals, and the special smell of soil. This only indicates the beginning of spring. In calendar there is no spring season like that, but this all indicate us that the beginning of spring, and it begins as early as February. It is also known as springtime, succeeding winter and preceding summer. In the northern plain, spring is the best season of the year. I know you all like spring season. Okay. So next, with the coming of April, the same cycle of season begins once again. It continues year after year. Again with the coming of April, you know, the summer season, then rainy season, then autumn, then winter, then spring. Again this continues year after year. So I hope you all understood these seasons and this lesson. Now let us recall what we had studied in this lesson. Come to points to remember. If we begin with summer, the cycle of seasons in India is summer, rains, autumn, winter, spring, summer, and so on. It continues. Next point, the summer months are April to June, and in this month a hot wind called Lu blow. The rainy months are July and August, but at the end of June it starts raining till mid-September. And the wind that causes rainfall is called monsoon wind. Next is the autumn months are September to November, and most of the harvest festival occur in this month, and in this month the leaves of the trees become pale and begin to fall. The winter months are December to February, and December and January, that is the coldest month of the year. Spring falls in the month of March, and you will see a new blossom in the plants. In summer, days are long and the nights are short. In winter, days are short and the nights are longer. Cherrapunji in Meghalaya gets the heaviest rainfall in the world. In southern region, winters are not so cold and summers are not so hot. As you know that it is surrounded by sea, and that maintain normal temperature during summer season also and during winter season. Therefore, it is quite pleasant in this part during the summer season and the winter season. So, this much in this lesson. I hope you understood. Thank you.